This is Mikesell with the Poultry site, and today we're here with Nienke de Groot. She is a veterinarian and strategic marketing director for South and Central America for Trouw Nutrition. Thanks for being with us today.
Happy to be here, Sarah. Thank you.
Very good. So I understand you're going to be doing a tech talk here at IPPE in a couple of days. Tell us a little bit about your message.
Exactly, yeah. So we will be giving a TED talk on Thursday. It's about mycotoxin risk management. What we do as a company, mycotoxins are, well, they're everywhere. Everyone knows that they are existent in a lot of raw materials, in final feed. And what we do as a company is we try to analyze the risk. So we do a risk-based analysis of the raw materials, of the complete feed. We actually use this small, very little machine here. It's called the MycoMaster. It's a very compact machine. You can put it everywhere in the feed mill, where the raw materials come in, and you can easily analyze the raw materials for many types of different mycotoxins. And what we then have is a program called Mycotoxin, and in that program also the results of that analysis come in. So you have all of them in one program. So what we do with that analysis of the risk of mycotoxins is that we can give a proper advice on using which type of mycotoxin binder, which dosage of mycotoxin binder. So at the end it means that the product that you use is effective for the risk that is actually in the feed or in the raw materials, and that makes it the most an economic option, so that you're not overdosing, that you're not using the highest spectrum mycotoxin binder, but that you have a low risk. It means that you have the adequate use of product in the right moment. And in this tool, what we also have is risk analysis in time, risk analysis based on season, risk analysis based on the rainfall in different countries. So it's a very extensive tool that can give you a risk analysis based on the species that you use, based on the raw material that you use, and based on the mycotoxin level in that raw material that you're using. So it's a very effective tool to optimize the use of mycotoxin binders, which are a very common used product, of course, and not always used in the right way.
Right, it sounds almost like it's so detailed, it's very prescription, which we hear a lot about, kind of really honing in on a specific, farm or operation or region,
exactly.
Right?
Yeah, I think that is the approach that we have as a company. We call it an integrated approach. We try to very much personalize the offerings that we give to a customer. So we don't want to offer products or solutions that don't make sense for his situation. So what we normally do is we analyze the quality of the raw material, and we analyze the quality of the feed that customer is using. By using the Nutrio platform, we can really adapt the feed formulation according to the quality of the products or the quality of the raw material that customer is using. And that, I think, is our expertise and our strength as a company, to really work on that personalization. And we basically see every customer as a different case.
Very good. And the output really for a producer, how will they use that on the farm?
So how the producer can really use it is that indeed we offer this little machine. He can have a very accurate look of his risk situation by using the machine combined with the mycotoxin risk management program that we have. We can give him a blueprint of what is his situation like. He can see in time what is the risk of the different raw materials that he's been using. So we can really offer a more in-depth insight in his risks that he has as a producer using different types of raw materials.
Right, and it sounds like it's kind of taking it to, working with your nutritionist per se, perhaps, and being able to put the right ration together, right, for the species that you're working with.
Yeah. So indeed, especially looking at mycotoxins, what we see is people using it to determine the inclusion of the product, to determine the quality of the raw material that is coming in, and sometimes even to reject incoming raw materials because the risk is too high. So there's indeed many different options to use the tool, and I think combined with the Nutrio platform, where you can see all of the risks based in time, all of the risk in the different countries, that is really giving them more insight in that risk analysis that they have for different species.
Very good. Well, thank you so much for all the information today.
Thank you very much.
This is Mikesell with the Poultry site.